Ready for the last door to be closed, and we can start a flight. We'll taxi towards the runway, which is the bombs on my right hand side. There will be a party in southwest direction. We'll make a right turn. We'll stay just very east of the city of Haarlem, and then almost direct routing towards our destination, Stavanger. Expect to have a flight duration today about 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now we're going to be close to give you information on the most actual arriving time and the weather there. For now, we'll wish you a pleasant stay on board.
Please fasten your seatbelt. This is how to fasten the seatbelt and tighten it. And this is how to open it. There are 6 emergency exits on board. 2 doors at the rear, 2 hatches in the center, and 2 doors at the front of the aircraft. Pull the mask towards you. This releases the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust the headband and breathe normally. If you're traveling with children, put on your own mask first before helping the children. Next to the life vest. Put your head through the opening. Fasten the strap around your back and attach it in front. Make sure to tighten it. To inflate your life vest, pull firmly on the red tabs. This should never be done inside the aircraft. If necessary, more air can be added to your life vest by blowing into the tubes. Contact with water will automatically switch on the light. The life vest is located under your seat. Details of all safety instructions are in the Safety on Board card, which is kept in the seat pocket. Please read this card carefully prior to takeoff. Please adjust the back of your seat to the upright position and fold away your tray table. For safety reasons, we ask you to stow your hand luggage in the luggage bins or under the seat in front of you. Smoking is prohibited on board. On behalf of KLM and partners, we wish you a pleasant flight.
Gentlemen, because we'll take off in darkness, we will switch off all the cabin lights. If you wish to continue reading, you will find your reading lights in the panel above your head. mobile phone or other electronic devices again. On arrival, after the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off, we will disembark row by row, starting with row 1. When it's your turn to stand up, be careful collecting your belongings from the luggage bins, as items may have moved or misplaced and could fall out. Please respect the distance rules and remain seated until the passengers in the row in front of you move towards the exit. We wish you a pleasant stay or a good upward journey. Thank you from our crew working on this flight, and we're looking forward to seeing you both KLM again soon.
The service lights.
Ladies and gentlemen, please bear in mind that we will disembark row by row, so please remain seated until it's your turn to stand up. Thank you for your cooperation.